the same button on the same side. Don't press it. That's good for us.
This is our weekly Speedy Club meeting. We've been trying to have one fun event every week, and we wanted to make sure that, there's some learning involved, as well as some fun for the students.
All of the drones are oriented to the front of the drone. So any of the controls that you put into this thing, it's relative to the front of the drone, not where you're standing, as much as you might want to believe. That's going to be amazing.
Tonight, we were practicing how to use a drone, and then we somewhat attempted to race them.
Another Speedy student, Ben, designed the course for tonight, just because he was passionate about the drone project and heard we were doing it.
You can practice as much as you want. I won't stop.
Any of the events that we have here touch on a lot of the things we teach. Mainly safety is applied to this one, I would say, because of teaching students to wear proper eye protection. Obviously, with the whole situation in the world, practicing the proper social distance procedures, and we've been able to stay to our room limit and make sure everyone is safe.
Are you racing or just playing? Then it's just up like normal. Once you go through the first ring, you're starting it. Okay, so he's great. You gotta get through the first ring and then it starts. Alright?
It was fun, yeah. I've flown like smaller drones before, so I was pretty used to it, but it was fun watching everyone try to get through it.
The name of our club, we refer to it as Speedy Club, but we're actually a subsidiary of the Society for Manufacturing Engineers, 124 chapter, which is the main Keene chapter, and we're kind of, the junior chapter. So our full title is that mouthful at Keene State College, but we just call it Speedy Club because that's a mouthful.
I chose the major because it was kind of a unique major that I was kind of looking for. That Keene State really only had. I couldn't really find kind of the design course like this one around another college. So, but as far as design goes, I really like the field, and I think there's a lot of opportunities. So.